Hi, I'm Raj. This video is part of Sydney to Darwin, Adelaide, Melbourne, and back to Sydney road trip. Check and watch my playlist if you are planning to do this kind of road trip, or would you like to do mm, explore more about Australia or Northern Territory. When you enter the Katherine Gorge, Baruwei Lookout, there is an information center there, and before you enter the information center you will see this board. So take a picture of this one if you are doing the trail or if you need some understanding about this place. So there are few trails here. You can see the names here: Baruwei Loop and Jalwarak Trail. So there are few tracks to walk. Some of them only for with the bikes only you can do, some with the bike and walking trail as well. So just read and understand the instructions, and you need to follow some the basic rules when you walk or when you go near the water. So understand that one. If you are with the kids, take care of them. So where there is a boat ramp, just close to the visitor center, you can access the water, but do not access the water. Do not go close to the water because crocodiles are there. They have put the sign that not to go close to the water. It's not safe for us. Baruwei Lookout from this information board will not take much time. It's just 45 minutes walk, total 2 kilometers from here. If you like to continue the walk from Baruwei Lookout along the plateau and back down towards the Nitmuluk Center, this will take total 2 hours and 5 kilometers. So where I am showing this my hand, if you see from the Baruwei Lookout, you can go to Baruwei Lookout. From there are two trails just separating the first one and the second one. The second one, the corner is the Baruwei Lookout. From there, you can make the walk. Or before you reach Baruwei Lookout, on the half of the way, you can make a right turn and walk. So now I'm entering into the Visitor Information Center. You can see the pictures here. It's drawn the art, Aboriginal arts. And this cafe, the hours are different from summer and winter. In the summer it's not open for the dinner, but in the winter it's open for the dinner. So it's available definitely summer and winter, 7:30 to 3:30 it's available, it's open. They have few hot foods and the coffee and the snacks, cakes and biscuits available. They have very good seating arrangements inside and outside. You can relax and you can watch the gorge from here. You can see the Nitmillik National Forest as well. It's a wonderful place. You forget everything and relax here. You may need 1 to 3 days to enjoy this place. If you're taking all the walking trail, take the boat trip, everything. Okay, now the Baruwei Lookout is in Katherine Gorge, Nitmiluk National Park. It's a great lookout to see the gorge. Baruwei Lookout is in Katherine Gorge, located 350 kilometers away from Darwin and 30 kilometers from Katherine. You can do day trip for your walking trail or to see the lookout. You may spend here from 1 to 3 days to fully enjoy this place and to relax. Visit the Nitmiluk Center to get information on walks, canoe hire, boat tours, camping, and more. The Nitmiluk Visitor Center is located at the entrance to Nitmiluk Gorge. The center has cafe, souvenir shop, cultural displays. Book boat tours and helicopter flights and canoe trips at the center. Now you are looking at the bats. The black color one, the one you're seeing, it's all bats. So do the loop walk, leave at 5:15 and make the sunset at 6:30. Wait for 20 minutes and experience the thousands of thousands of bat flying up the gorge. Be sure to take the torch for the walk home in the dark. So do not access this water, close to the water. Do not. Just a 10-minute walk from the jetty, Nitmuluk campground is the ideal spot to uncover the wonderland that is Nitmuluk National Park. With both powered and unpowered sites available, it is the perfect place for campers, caravans, and motorhomes while exploring the Nitmuluk area. Wake up to bird song and the sounds of the nature. Unpowered campsite price starts from $20. Check the website for more information. A great range of well-maintained facilities are available to make your stay as convenient as possible. They have cabins as well available, and powered site available and unpowered site available. Gorge walk is total 2 km to the Baruwei Lookout from the cafeteria from the information center. It takes 45 minutes. If you like to continue the walk from Baruwei Lookout along the plateau and back down towards the Miluk Center, this will take total 5 kilometers and 2 hours. So you see the sign and then you keep walking from here. This is the beginning of the Baruwei Lookout. All walks are marked by colored triangles on a white background. Trail markers are usually located every 20 to 50 meters. Intersections are marked by signposts. If you have walked for 100 meters without seeing a marker, go back to the last marker and find the next marker. Use the Avanza Maps AVENZA Maps app to help you stay on track. Check all signage and note trails which are shared with riders. Some are bike only. It's not a hard walk to get up there, but there are a few stairs, so make sure you are prepared for it. Recommend going early in the morning before it gets too hot in the summer. It's very exciting to see the rocks and the stairs, a bit different to any other national parks. And the gorge is very amazing looking when you see from the top. Also, definitely try to do the sunrise boat cruise to see the whole gorge that you can't see from the lookout. Don't go close to the water. Read the sign. That's very important. I'm just keep repeating. It is easy to get to the Katherine Gorge Lookout, 200 and something steps. Views are spectacular and give you a good feeling of the gorge. Unlike the boat trip, the view is free and give you a different but equally great view is the gorge. Easy to miss if you are not looking. Parking and toilets at the base only, which is near the boat tour departing area. The walking is not suitable for wheelchairs as it is mostly a metal staircase to reach the lookout. There is 2 platforms at the lookout and both are stunning. I hope you are enjoying this video. Like and subscribe to support my channel. If you like, you can stay here in the campsite and enjoy the national park in 1 to 3 days or just the lookout or one night. Or if you're not staying here and if you're staying in Katherine, just do like a day trip here. It is only 30 kilometers away from Katherine. So just come in the morning and go back in the evening and stay in Katherine. So you can instead of staying here, you can come here like by driving every 3 days here or every 2 days here. It's a wonderful walk. It's a wonderful memory, and so we are almost we reached nearly 60-70% of the distance now. Now, just close to the Baruwei Lookout, so the stairs are a bit steep to walk, but mostly it's easy to walk. I think it's a grade 3 if I remember exactly. As you can see in the front, see how steep it's going up. It's not really that hard, just 1 liter of water is enough or the bottle. So if you are visiting Catherine National Park, the Katherine Gorge is one of the important tourist spot, same like the hot spring, and there are few other locations are there nearby Catherine to watch or to enjoy or to visit. So subscribe to my channel to see what are all the locations available near the Catherine when you visit there. I hope you are enjoying this video. Please continue to watch until the end to see the Baruwei Lookout. Thank you. Bye bye.